Hey y'all, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today we do have a wig from Luvme Hair, one of my favorite hair companies right now. So thank you so much, Luvme Hair, for sending over this new unit. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, because I got a lot of good wigs and hair and all type of different Amazon reviews, all type of stuff for you guys. So you definitely have to click that subscribe so you don't miss anything. All right, so this is the box that your wig is going to come in. Pretty little purple box. I keep these boxes and I end up using them for other things. They send you a little thank you. They send you wig caps, and they send you some goodies. I think inside here is usually a lace melt band. Yeah, there's a band in here. This is a little mirror and an edge brush. And of course you got your wig. Let's take her out and see how she's looking. Ooh, she is literally perfectly curled out the box. Come on, Luvme Hair, giving us pre-curled lace wigs. We love, love, love that. I already have a feeling this is about to be stupid easy to apply and to put on. So it looks like our hairline is slightly pre-plucked and we are slightly bleached. So we are good in terms of not needing, not slightly, these knots are already bleached. So you're good. This hairline is already plucked, so you're good there as well. I may take a couple little hairs out, but I don't think I even need to. Here's a nice strong elastic band that's sewn in, and I love that. You also have your comb in the back, your adjustable straps, and a comb on either side of the temple and a comb at the crown. I just can't get over these curls. These curls are flawless. So we are going to get right into laying this wig down. I haven't done my makeup or anything yet, but I will do that off camera. I think I'm gonna record it, so if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial, definitely stay tuned to the next video for that. So this is a head scarf that I do sell on my website if you ever are in need of a head scarf, and I do sell them in like 10 different colors. So you can head over to GLEEmade.com and check that out. A lot of times when I don't feel like doing my hair, I'll pop a U-part wig on and put my headscarf on, and then that way you don't have to take none of your hair out, but you are, you know, ready for the day. So I was cute today with my little U-part wig and my headscarf. So as you can see, my hair is braided down in 2 large braids. I hope this is going to give us what we need to have going on here, because my hair is looking a little cray. So first things first, I want to milk all the honeys. Okay. We're not singing Biggie, Biggie, Biggie. So I'm just going to comb all this back. A little bit of hairspray. Because I have a very full hairline, so I need to kind of make the hairs do what I want them to do. I'm going to start off with a black one because I just want this hair to stay back. So these are not the colors I want. This is the color I usually like to use out for us. But yeah, this wig cap has definitely seen better days, okay? And let's just put her on and see what she is giving straight like this. I love that it's a closure, so it's so easy. Yeah, this is a hairline we can literally just push back a little bit. And then I'm just going to take a small baby hair brush and just press that in. You know what? Let me take off this black shirt because I feel like this black shirt is really not giving us everything that we need. I'm gonna put on something a little lighter than this so that we can really see this hair when we put it on. Now for my adhesive, I do just like to wear my wig for the day, so I never do like a glue. I just use an adhesive spray, and the one that I use is the Evan in the black can. This you can easily find on Amazon, and I really Alright you guys, so the hairline is pretty much laid. I'm gonna do my face, I'm gonna come back, curl this hair, and then give you guys my final thought. Alright you guys, so I did my face, and yeah, this is how the hair is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and just finger comb these curls. These are the curls that the hair came with. So this is what the curls are looking like. They're really pretty. So that's them finger comb, but let's go ahead and brush them out. This hair is so cute. Very easy to work with. Don't have to bleach the knots, don't have to pluck the hairline. Literally just lay her down with some adhesive, or you can easily wear this wig glueless. You do not need to use adhesive for this wig. It's a closure, and that's what I love about closures. You do not have to do anything crazy to them. They just go. You just pop this bad boy on and go out the door. I'm loving how this unit is looking. This is definitely an everyday wig. This can be, you know, an office wig. This can be your everyday unit. The length is very good. It's nothing crazy. This wig will be very easy to maintain and just keep pretty and just throw on and go. You could wear her straight, you could wear her wavy, curly like she comes. So yeah, Luvme Hair, done it again. I absolutely love this unit. Highly recommend her. If you have questions or I haven't answered something, definitely leave them in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, definitely head over there and check me out. I have 2 pages. One is JessMoniqueThomas and the other is Jess Fly Finds. I'll leave them down below. If you like to support this channel, definitely click the links down below and give your sis a little something, and I will see you guys in the next one. Before I sign off, do one thing for me. Make sure you like this video, make sure you share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.